ಮಾತಾಡಿ. ಹೇಳಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ. ಆಯ್ತಿದೆ.
So I am a BE mechanical engineer. Today I was a proprietor. Now today I am a beggar. I lost everything because of lockdown. Thanks everybody cheated me.
ಅಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಇದೆ.
So what ಇರಲಿ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಸುಮಾರು ಜನ ನಂತರ ಸುಮಾರು ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. So many people are roaming like that, because they had a lot of pressure and depression. They should come out depression. So that is the main issue, because the family background, everybody is putting this pressure on. What they need a money, right? Let it take.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗ ಮನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ದು. ಅಲ್ಲ ಮನೆಗೂ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ ನೀವು?
See, that's what I'm the proprietor of the company. I'm not ready to work with somebody.